Are you ready to challenge yourself and achieve your fitness goals? In this documentary-style video, we'll explore the process of learning and mastering pull-ups from a female perspective. Get ready to be inspired and motivated as we delve into the world of female fitness and self-improvement. Pull-ups are often seen as a challenging exercise, but can girls do pull-ups? The answer is a resounding yes. Join us as we uncover the journey of self-improvement and empowerment through the lens of female fitness. From the initial struggles to the triumphant moments, this video will take you through the highs and lows of mastering pull-ups. Whether you're a woman or a girl interested in fitness, this video is for you. Get ready to be inspired by the dedication and perseverance of those who have taken on this challenge. We'll provide clear, step-by-step instructions on how to approach pull-ups, making it accessible and achievable for everyone. Join us on this educational and inspirational journey as we break down the barriers and show that with determination, anyone can achieve their fitness goals. So can girls do pull-ups? Absolutely. And we're here to show you how. Stay tuned for the next scene as we dive deeper into the world of female fitness and self-improvement.